So, I am here today to show you how to fix a glass in your front door. If the glass broke somehow, I'm gonna show you how to fix that, okay? Things you're gonna need is something like this, okay? Maybe something like that, and a knife. So, let's get down to business. It's really easy. However, when you do this type of job, you have to be patient. So make sure that when you do it, you have time. Don't try to do it in a hurry because you have to remove the molding, and the molding is very small and it's very easy to break, okay? So let me show you the door. Okay, so that's the molding right here that you have to remove. Okay, all of this right here you have to remove. Okay, and you have to be careful because if there is glass, you can cut yourself. So make sure that you get some safety glasses. You don't want to cut yourself. I mean, you don't want any glass in your eyes. Alright, so you're going to take your knife and you're just going to go around it like that. Okay, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay, this is way before you can actually start removing the molding. Just go like that. Right, so now oh my gosh, you don't want to break it. Okay, that's the last thing you want to do. So you gotta go in the corners a little bit more. This is where the problem is right now. Problem is right there. Okay, so careful. As long as you loosen it up, right? So maybe you need to remove this one first. Okay, just kind of work it until you get it out. Slowly. Alright, so I was able to remove the bottom one already. Here's the bottom one, right? Oh gosh, this is a pain in the butt. Here's the bottom one, just keep going. Alright, just keep going until you get them all out. Patience is important. Just take them all out. And then the last piece. Oh gosh. Alright, so you don't want to break them, okay? Again, take your time. That's glass. Okay, so if you have any glass, make sure you pick it up. Alright, here's the last one. Alright, so now you're going to clean out that whole area right there. Nice, 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 nice. Clean up, right? You can see glass in there. Okay, so clean that nicely. Okay. All right, so now you're getting ready to measure. Okay, so measure it. And let's measure it right now. Make sure that you have the correct dimensions. 11.5 by 8 3/4. Measure it again just to make sure. 11.5 by 8 3/4. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to make sure that I put the pieces exactly the way they came out. So when I come home from Lowe's, all I have to do is make sure this one goes on the bottom. All right, this one is the one on the right side. This one is on the left side, and this one is on the top. See, this is what was holding it in place. This little looks like staples. I don't know what they are. Yeah, little staples, but this is from a staple gun. So you gotta take that out to be able to put it back. But again, I like to do that whenever I take things apart. I like to make sure that I know where exactly they go. That way the process of putting it back together is a lot easier. Again, here's your door. This is the way it looks like, right? As you can see, it's broken. But it's gonna be fixed shortly. Alright, so now you have taken the molding off. Now you have to go to Lowe's. Okay, Lowe's is the best place to go. For about $3.90, something like that, you're gonna get the glass. So tell them that you want a glass for your door. They only have a single glass, not like a double glass. This one is a single glass, so I'm pretty lucky. So you go there with the measurements, and they're gonna cut it right there for you. You bring it home, and then you go ahead and snap it in. Okay, hi, so I just came back from Lowe's, right? And this is the glass. All right, here's the glass. Let's make sure that it fits. All right, perfect. Let's see how's it gonna look now. See, beautiful. All right, so that works, right? Take it out so you can get your molding ready. Let's show you the nails that I bought, okay? These are the nails that I bought. As you can see, they are size 7/8 by 17. Pretty small nails. This is what we're gonna use, okay? Now, so now let's put the glass in there. Let's show them to wrap it. Okay. Let's put the first piece of molding right there. Let's make sure that. Alright, so this is what I'm doing, okay? I had to put the screw, the nail like this in an angle. Only because if I nail it through here, okay, I'm gonna hit the glass and I'm gonna break the glass, and I don't wanna do that. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, it's the best way to do it for now until you have the right equipment to do it the right way. You will need a compressor. And you'll need a compressor to be able to do this. But again, you have to be really, really, really careful. So you gotta go slow. Okay, it's in. Woo! And the last piece, same thing. Just put it in there. It's gonna be the hardest one to do. I have to remove this back up. I think that this one should come first. Okay. And the last one. And it's fixed. Gosh. It's fixed. Okay. Push in, push out. It's pretty good. All right. That's it. It's done. Alright, so it looks like we're done. Okay, the last thing is you need to get some caulking, and you gotta put caulking around the molding and then repaint it, and you're done. Okay, so make sure that you plan to do this the right way. You need time to do it, and it's gonna come out very nice. Let me show you. Okay, that's it. We're done. Glass is in, we're good to go.